Hello, this is Adi. I'm the General Manager. Today I'm going to show you our factory. We have been making quality steel since 1996. Let's go inside. We have two factories. The factory here is Xiamen. Xiamen is for steel plate. And the other one is in Zhangzhou, which is for steel tube. Total area is 48,660 square meters. The annual capacity is 112,000 tons.
Here is our cutting workshop. We can cut steel plates to any size you need. Thickness from 0.5 mm to 12 mm. Precision plus or minus 0.2 mm. Quality control is very important to us. We check every plate before shipping. Material testing, size checking, surface inspection. Only qualified products leave our factory. This is our packing area. We adopt professional multi-layer packing specially for sea transport. Inner steel straps, stretch film, waterproof oil paper, corner guards, outer steel straps, plus fumigated wood, plywood frame. All-round protection guarantees safe arrival of your goods. This is Fuquan Steel. 30 years of experience, serving customers worldwide. We provide steel plates, steel pipes, and custom processing. Contact us for your steel needs.